Wire ropes are like complex machines, requiring dedicated lubricants to perform. ITW Rocol has developed Biogen Wireshield, an environmentally acceptable lubricant that's both European Eco-Label registered and VGP compliant. Importantly, a no-compromise approach to performance was adopted during development, ensuring the extended life of critical wire ropes and umbilicals. ITW Rocol is a specialist lubricant manufacturer based in the UK. All of our products are taken from initial concept through to manufacture, ensuring market-leading innovation. Biogen Wireshield is no exception. Every aspect of the lubricant's properties has been considered during development, including application, performance, health, safety, and environmental profile. For best performance, the use of an automatic lubricating system is recommended for the application of Biogen Wireshield. A technology in the chemistry of Biogen Wireshield called pseudoplastic rheology aids application by liquefying the grease during application. This reduces the probability of a pump blockage and increases its penetration into the core of the wire rope. Whilst at rest, Biogen Wireshield has the consistency of an NLGI2 grease, giving the lubricant a strong and tenacious film, reducing fling and water wash-off. However, when under shear, the dynamic viscosity of Biogen Wireshield is reduced, giving it fluid-like properties. As a pseudo-fluid, the lubricant can more easily penetrate between the strands of wire ropes and armored umbilicals, thereby maximizing corrosion resistance and friction reduction. This process also occurs when the cables are flexing over sheaves and equipment, further increasing protection. Once shear is removed, Biogen Wireshield will immediately return to its normal, grease-like state. Corrosion is a primary cause of premature wire rope and umbilical failure. Biogen Wireshield has been proven to excel in the most corrosive of atmospheres. Identical sections of wire rope lubricated using either Biogen Wireshield or competitor lubricants were exposed to a salt spray test. Biogen Wireshield showed no evidence of corrosion over the course of the 1,000-hour test. The upper temperature limits of a wire rope lubricant are important when active heave compensation equipment is in use, where temperatures can reach in excess of 120 degrees Celsius. Biogen Wireshield far exceeds this with an upper limit of 180 degrees Celsius. At the opposite end of the scale, equipment and lubricants are now also expected to perform in Arctic conditions. Biogen Wireshield is also suitable for temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius. In December 2013, new regulations came into force, requiring the use of environmentally acceptable lubricants in all oil-to-sea interfaces on vessels entering U.S. waters. These legal requirements are described within the Vessel General Permit, which is commonly abbreviated to VGP. The U.S. Coast Guard is responsible for ensuring compliance with the VGP, and any deficiencies are reported to the EPA for enforcement. Penalties can include significant fines and imprisonment. An environmentally acceptable lubricant must meet the definition as described in the VGP. The lubricant and all of its components must be biodegradable, minimally toxic, and non-bioaccumulative. Biogen Wireshield exceeds all of these requirements and is therefore fully VGP compliant. It's also registered to the European Eco-Labeling Programme. European Eco-Label is an internationally recognized program and can be used during VGP examinations as proof to inspecting authorities that Biogen Wireshield meets all requirements of an environmentally acceptable lubricant and the VGP. Biogen Wireshield can be purchased internationally. To locate your nearest stockist or to ask a question, please contact Rocol using the details shown. Additional information can also be found at www.rocol.com/biogen.